Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Y'all, I'm kind of in disbelief that this is already here. Mind is blown. If you haven't noticed from all the pink going on, you have a good idea. Look what I got. Pink Religion, baby. Look at this. Talk about some packaging. And I got the Pink Religion Velvet Trap. This is my first Velvet Trap lipstick of his, and of course it is in Pink Religion. Here's our component. Look at that. That's fantastic. It's magnetic. Boop. And look how pink she is. Look at that. You see that detail? Wow. All right, my loves, you want to see inside this palette, how it performs, what we think of this lipstick, y'all know what to do. Just stay tuned. All right, my loves, let's do this. First, welcome to all our new subscribers. I'm Sunny. This is Sunny's Place. We do a lot of giveaways, unboxings, a lot of chit-chatting going on, a lot of reviews, and we love Jeffree Star products. Pink Religion, baby. Look at that embossing. Oh my gosh. And on the edge, a Pink Religion. Look at that. Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Pink Religion. Now, this palette has 3 shimmers and 15 mattes. $52. It is still available. I do want to get the highlighter palette. Like, I really want it really, really bad. But, you know, we'll get what we can get here. And then the beautiful Velvet Trap lipstick. Look at this. Wowzers. Now, this is supposed to be drying now completely matte. I love this. It has stars in the lipstick itself. So we're going to go ahead and swatch this on my hand and see if it dries down completely matte. There she is. Look at that. Ooh, that's a beautiful pink. And we'll be using her. Okay, the Velvet Trap lipstick, $18, you guys. Oh, she's so pretty. So pretty. Look at that. We're going to go ahead and swatch a couple of the mattes and a couple of the shimmers. Let's get into her. Oh, she's so pretty, you guys. I'm just in awe over this. The pinks, the purples. Oh, just gorgeous. Let me get on my old lady glasses so I can read the shade names to you. And we will get our swatching on. All right, we're going to do Princess Crown, Frosting Cult, Candy Cathedral. That's all 3 of the shimmers. And we'll just do them right here, side by side. Oh, they're frosty. Ooh, gorgeous. Now, I will let you know that Candy Cathedral, I really dug in that one. She's kind of powdery. Still, look at that shimmer from her. Wow. All right, let's do some of these mattes. We'll go into, oh gosh, I can't decide. Vatican Vanity. Pink Fever. Wow, these are actually all right names, Mr. Jeffree. Good job. And we'll do, what's that say? Strawberry Youth. Ooh, she's a hard-baked one. Strawberry Youth is this one. It's very hard-baked. All right. Vatican Vanity. Nice, as usual. Pink Fever. And Strawberry Youth. There they are. Look at those gorgeous shades. We're going to do a little more Strawberry Youth to get it on there a little bit better so you can see her. As always, Jeffree's quality, y'all, is absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Oh, I love that so much. Let's check on the Pink Religion Velvet Trap and see if she's drying down. She is. Oh, That's the eyeshadow, not the lipstick, y'all. Here, we'll use the thumb. It's drying down. There's still a little bit left. We'll see if she still dries down completely matte and non-transferable. All right, my loves. You want to get into the rest of this palette, and let's see what we do here. I'm excited to play in it. The packaging, oh my gosh. Is she worth the Jeffree standard $52? Oh, let's check her out. All right, guys, I got on my Tarte Cosmetics clean canvas as a base to use. I have got on my Jocy&Co brushes along with my MOTD brushes and my blinged brushes. All clean, brand new brushes. Why? Because I funny feeling this palette is gonna deserve it. We're gonna save this lipstick to last, which I'm super excited about. It's a pretty bright lipstick. I mean, check her out. And she's still drying down. Okay. I really hope that dries down matte and is non-transferable. I'm fingers crossing. Guys, let's dig into it. I'm so super excited for this. Okay, first we're going to bring out our blinged brushes. Y'all know I'm obsessed with these. And we're going to go into, what does that say? My goodness. Sugar Savior. Ooh. Sugar Savior is this one here, and we're going to go all over the eye with it. I'm excited. I'll do one eye with you guys, and then get off and do the other eye. Now, true Jeffree formation. It's coming off true out of the palette, guys. Gorgeous. Now, I'm not going in ham with these because his shadows are top quality, and it's easier to build up than to wipe down and have to redo it all. Anybody who's used Jeffree shadows knows this. All right, it's all over the eye. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm excited. As we all know, your girl loves her purples. So we're going to use a Vanity, what's that say? Fashion Faith and the Vatican Vanity. This one is Fashion Faith and a Vatican Vanity. We're going to do the Vatican Vanity on the outer corner, and then the Fashion Faith right beside it. Ooh, that came off deep on the brush. Let's see how much fallout there is. Quite a bit. But from everything I've learned, that if it has quite a bit of fallout, that means that it is a very pigmented shade, which it is. True Jeffree fashion. Look at that. Wow. Gosh, I love his shadows. Now, we're doing the outer corner here and just doing a little flip at the end, just to make the eyes seem a little bit bigger than what they are, and I'm going to go right over my eye socket bone, just to add some dimension to it. Just like so. And go all the way to the inner corner. Oh, that is just gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. Okay, now we're going to go into the Fashion Faith, and we're going to use the MOTD brush and go right beside that outer corner. Look, it comes off so true on the brush. The fallout's there, but it's not all over my workstation. I'm going to go right beside that. Oh, that is just gorgeous. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Blend it in there. We don't want it looking choppy. Now, we're going to pick our pigment. Candy Cathedral. Yep. And we're going to go right there. And then on the inner corner, we're going to use the Frosting Cult And then we'll use, what does that say? It's gold writing. Princess Crown on the brow bone. I'm excited. Anybody else excited? I'm excited. All right, Pink Cathedral. Or she is. Oh, wow. That is pink. Oh, she is pink. Gorgeous. Oh, that's just, oh. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Holy cannoli. Yes, I got it on my face. Little tip I always do, I keep a makeup eraser in my lap to clean my brushes off in between usage or to wipe off my face. Okay, now I'm going to use a brush. And we're going to use, well, darn it. Yeah, let's use this bling brush and let's do the brow bone. Princess Crown. Wow. Like, she is white shimmer, you guys. Whoa. Whoa. Go all the way around. So the brow bone and all the way to the inner corner. Same brush, let's go in to Frosting Cult and do that inner corner. Oh, the pinks. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, wow. I'm wowed. Wowed. True Jeffree fashion. I'm going to go back into Vanican Vanity a little bit and darken up that purple some. Make the whoosh a little bit more apparent. And blend. Just like that. Ooh, went way heavy on that, didn't I? No. So what we'll do here is we'll go into a lighter shade and go right above it just to tone it down. Which that lighter shade would be Saint Star. This one right here. With our bling brush. We're just going to go right up above that to lighten it up. Easy fix. Just like that. Very easy fix. Oh, that is just stunning. Absolutely stunning. Okay, let's get a pointy brush, which I'm sure I have one out here somewhere. Yes, let's use our Jocy&Co pointed brush. Let's go on the lower lash line, and we're going to go back into a Vanican Vanity. Do our outer corner. We're going to dab this just to get the color on there, and then we blend. So dab, then blend. Oh, this is stunning. Absolutely stunning, you guys. Wow. Gorgeous. I'm going to blend out that outer corner a little bit more. Just to add a little bit more depth. Oh, she's so pretty. All right, guys, I'm going to go off camera, finish this other eye, and then we'll do our lipstick together, put on some lashes and mascara. I'll be right back with you. Okay, my loves, here is the finished look. Put a close-up right up there for you. The only thing y'all didn't see me do was I added the NYX Epic Liner. It's the darkest purple that they had, just right below my lash line. That was it, and threw on my Dollar Lash Club lashes in the style Caitlin. I love these, you guys. Unfortunately, I don't have a subscription anymore. Let's check the Velvet Trap lipstick and see if it's dried down matte. Still a little bit coming off. Not as much as I'm used to, though, so let's just give her a go and see how she applies on the lips. Oh, look at that hot pink, you guys. Oh, stunning. Now, when I apply bullet lips, I don't need to use a liner. Especially Jeffree's, they don't bleed. Or so far, what I've noticed, they haven't bled. Some of my newer ones, you're like, bleed what? What's bleeding? No, no. When the lipstick goes outside the lip line, most people have to put a lip liner on there to hold it in to keep its shape. Stunning lip color. I do think it needs a gloss. And it does become more pigmented as you add to it. I love that magnetic snap pop. It's just that reassurance that it is sealed good. Let's just do it in true fashion and get some Jeffree gloss out. Here we go. And this shade is Succulent. That's what I thought it was. Yeah, we need a little shine. Love it. Yes, this is what I was looking for. Now, for those that are not familiar with Jeffree's glosses, for one, they're phenomenal and they last almost half the day. They last for hours. They all smell like cotton candy. I absolutely love it. Look at this. Just gorgeous. I love it so much. Okay, guys, I loved this palette. True Jeffree fashion. Perfect shades. Perfect. Now, yes, there was fallout. No denying it. But it was minimal. And it wasn't all over the table. And I did not have to dig into the pans. Now, the Candy Cathedral shade. This one right here. That is very, very soft. If you get this palette, don't dig into it. Go very, very lightly into it. Now, for those that would like to see every shade swatched, your girl's going to do it for you. And I'll do it right after this. And I'll have them all up and down my arms for you. And they'll be in the pattern the way they are in the palette. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, here is the first 9 shades. We have Princess Crown, Saint Star, Frosting Cult, Pink Religion, Strawberry Youth, Sugar Savior, Prom Night, Diva, Lollipop Luxury. All right, guys, I'll be back with the other 9. Last 9. We have Jeffree's World, Candy Cathedral, Pink Fever, Beauty Killer, Holy Fire, Fashion Faith, Handbag Queen, Dollhouse Lane, and Vatican Vanity. Now, as for my opinion on this palette, I loved it. I loved it so much. The velvettrap, it is a long wearing lipstick. It does transfer, but it does dry down matte, just not completely dry. As usual, you guys, I love Jeffree's products. There you'll hear no qualm about his products from me. Y'all know the drill. Give your girl a thumbs up or give her a thumbs down. Be looking for future Jeffree giveaways. You never know what I have in store. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.